Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to automate client onboarding in Wix Studio step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix Studio account and open the website where you want to collect client information. Next, click Add Elements on the left side of the editor and add a form to your page. You can place it on a contact page or create a dedicated client onboarding page. Once the form is added, customize the fields. Include items such as business name, contact name, email address, phone number, website goals, and any services the client is interested in. After that, click on the form and open Form Settings. Review the submission settings and make sure responses will be collected through your website. Now click Publish in the top right corner to make the form live. Next, go back to your Wix Studio dashboard and open your site dashboard. From the left side menu, click Forms and Submissions. This is where you'll be able to view onboarding requests submitted by potential clients. When a new submission arrives, review the information and create a new client website project. Rename the project using the client's business name so it's easy to identify later. And that's it. You've successfully created a simple client onboarding workflow in Wix Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Wix Studio tutorials.